Good afternoon, morning, or evening. I am the Manly Digger, and it's snowing. So in this video, I'm going to start off with a dig that I just did, and it's snowing. It snowed, and then it snowed some more. Had a great time. It's a great time. It is December. It is December in Maine, so snow's kind of expected. The ground's not frozen. Good time. The weather was not cold. And I found some really cool stuff. I found a spot that's really cool. It's just a cool spot. I don't know how old it is. Clearly there is some use there. Old, not really old. I'd say 100 years old maybe. But yeah, I'll have to do some research on that. And then I found, last weekend when it wasn't snowing, but it was extremely cold. So Kennebec River, and it didn't last long. Or that adventure didn't last long. I went to Kennebec River, on the Kennebec River in Waterville, which is the public access for boats. And I don't know the name of the location, but it's just, I figured I was looking for spots, and I'd been back there for a while. And there's this tree that I love though. It's old, and it's just a cool tree. So I just dug up a ramen noodle wrapper. I'm not going to show that, but this tree is absolutely stunning. I love this tree. It's grown since the last time I've been down here. It's just awesome. I don't know. I'll show it. Anyway, mainly dig out. No idea what that is. First find of the day. Clearly it's snowing, but it's like the weather's still good. It's not freezing. Last weekend it was freezing. That was a short adventure, which it'll be on this video. But this is a spot between Norwalk and Farmington. Don't know exactly what town it's in, but it's, I just stopped. I saw it. There's no hunting or no trespassing signs. So it's a field, cut field. Farmer's done with it. See where I go, see where I get, what I get. It's a solid hunk of metal. No idea what it is. It's gorgeous. Oh, love it. Old, or a tool. I love finding old stuff. I love finding old tools. I love finding tools. I don't know how old it is, but it's pretty cool. Let's see this. I don't know what it would be used for. Horse toothpick. So, baby square nail. Look at that snow. Look at that snow. It's an awesome. I'm gonna take a picture. Looks like a nail or a piece of something, and then another piece of something. It's kind of interesting. I'm finding a lot of these little nails, and I haven't shown all of them, but they, yeah, kind of going along this way, as you can see. And the little nails are down there deep, but still love them. So nothing really of the pottery I want to check out. Do some research on that. I love pottery, but the other stuff is just nails and some copper, all in one hole though. So I moved from over there because I have the ADHD, if you want to call it these days, to the house. It's not a house, it's a library. No one's in there, so it's a good place. I don't know how old that house is. Pretty sure it's fairly old. I'll have to look. But yeah, gorgeous spot. I have no idea what that is. Looks like copper, kind of like something maybe melted together. I don't know. I'll have to clean it off. But I dug the hole and it just fell right out, which is awesome. So this, which I think is tinfoil or something to that effect, was in the hole. But I found this stuff. Obviously love the pottery, so I'm gonna look into that. And then I also found, I think it's paper, but it's probably not that old, but I've never seen where it's, I don't know, I've never seen it like that. And it's two, so just interesting, that's all. That's cool. Yes, sir, that is a sleigh bell. Yes. They used to put them on sleighs or horses so that people would hear them. Sleigh bells. Anyway, I just mansplained sleigh bells, or bells in general. Anyway, so that is awesome. It's almost Christmas too. It's December. I forgot about that. I was thinking today was November. Anyway, very cool. Squash, but whatever. Jingle bells. That is a true square now. Very cool. So before I start the end or the roundup of my finds, I want to say there's one lesson that I haven't learned yet. They make digging tools so you don't dig with your hands. Also, another lesson I learned, should learn, I haven't learned yet, is that wear gloves. Bring not wear gloves. Bring more than one set of digging gloves. When it stopped working because I can't find the button and it's kind of freezing, so it's wet, so I'm gonna work later though. Anyway, but yeah. Don't dig with your hands. You can, whatever. But they make digging tools for a reason. So today's finds is this guy right here. First find of the day was an older tool. I think it's an older tool. I don't really know. I don't know what it is. Actually, no, that wasn't the first find. This guy was the first find. Some random piece of metal. This guy I want to check out. Some paper. And this guy, definitely doing some research on that. And the square nail, which I'm not going to show, is deep in my pocket somewhere, and clearly I'm busy. I had this all set up nicely, but it didn't want to work. So I just dropped my sleigh bell. On the Kennebec River. It's a boat launch in Waterville. And first find of the day is, I think it's a penny. I'm not gonna clean it off because it's kind of cold, and I will do that later. Oh, piece of metal, probably off a boat. Someone's like, it fell. I don't know. Anyway. So it's gorgeous spot. I'm gonna hit up this area. So found another penny. I'm not going to clean it off because it's cold again. Last time I'm going to say that. Oh, another coin from the 1990s. Long ago. Here along the banks, found a CO2 cartridge. Still gorgeous. Last time I was here was probably like 3 years ago, maybe. In the summertime. There's just a lot less people here. I say that, and like there was just like 2 minutes ago, there was like 3 or 4 cars that pulled up at different times. Anyway, gorgeous spot.